Today, our first stop is the Chatuchak market. It's one of the largest markets here in Thailand. So can't wait to see all the little goodies we can buy. On our way to Chatuchak market, we actually stumbled across the Wat Pho temple, otherwise known in English as the Bangkok's Coffin temple. Here you can actually make donations for coffins, to feed the cattle, as well as to make giant candles. This place is massive for a temple. There's so many different sections to go to, but due to time, we're still gonna keep chatting along on the way to the Chatuchak market.
I know, man, passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.
We are currently at B27 and we are headed all the way around to B13.
Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
We have just made it to Chatuchak market.
It is crazy busy here. There's over 15,000 stalls and 11,500 different vendors. I'm sure if you're looking for anything, you'll definitely find it here.
It's only open on the weekends though, so Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I think it opens in the morning at 8 and then it closes at 6 o'clock. So if you guys are in Bangkok on the weekend, make sure you guys come check it out. Finally managed to get Sam's out the shops.
But I didn't buy anything, so I don't know why he's complaining.
I don't enjoy shopping, so
That's just like women's heaven. It's like paradise. Anything you can buy, and the quality of some of the stuff here is not bad, and the pricing is amazing. I should have left my whole wardrobe at home and literally just bought everything here at the Chatuchak market. Recommendation, ladies.
we're now getting some food just to fill my belly so that we can go for another round of shopping.
Thank you. Shrimp fried rice. The prawns are so fresh and succulent and tender. It's like they just jumped out of the sea right into my plate. They're like so juicy, and the rice is so moist, and just the flavoring. I think she put in like a mushroom sauce, and she put like a soya sauce and a whole bunch of extra stuff, but it is divine. Oh my word.
I know, man, passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.
We ordered original milk flavor drink slash something. It tastes like milk and condensed milk mixed together and had a baby slushy. It's so good.
Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
We're done with the market and we're on our way to Khao San Road. Apparently that's where the party is happening, so take your time to go party it up. the Wat Arun area, and we're going to go check it out to see if it looks good at night. Apparently it looks really nice at night, so that's where we're going now.
Behind me is the Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn. It was actually named after the Indian god Aruna, which also means dawn, the god of dawn, and that's where it got its name, the Temple of Dawn. And the height of it is 104 meters high, and it is beautifully lit at night. You'll have to find this narrow little passageway that Nick came through to actually see this view, and we're rocking because we're currently standing on a boat docking station. So excuse the wooziness, but it's just so you can experience the beauty that is behind me. We are on our way in to see the Reclining Buddha. Absolutely jaw-dropped by the size of the Reclining Buddha. It is 15 meters tall and 46 meters long. It is massive and it is beautiful. Another reason why this Reclining Buddha is so famous, it's because the way he's reclining, it's actually to emphasize the last moments of Ganyam Buddha before he left to Nevada. Which one do you think has 108 coins? So we can do all of them. So the coins I've just purchased, there's 108 of these little bowls behind me, and every single bowl represents something Buddha did for him to go into the afterlife. And it has been said, if your bowl containing 108 coins and you get to the end, it means you'll get good luck. So do you think I have 108 coins in here? Let's find out and see. So the 108 bowls are actually to represent 108 auspicious characters of Buddha. Sorry, that was my mistake. And as well as when you put the coins into the bowls, it's meant to bring you good fortune.
So we are finished walking around Wat Pho, which is the Reclining Buddha. We're very lucky to get in tonight because most of the time it's not open in the evenings, and that's the reason why we have to skip Khao San Road today, because it's getting quite late and we're also really hungry, and Khao San Road is still quite a distance from here. So we're going to go to Ong Ang Walking Street, which is where all the food is. It's apparently redeveloped, so it's actually the new hotspot for Bangkok. So we'll take you guys there now. we've made it to Ongang Street and we're gonna go check to see what we can eat. Cameron ordered a basil pork fried rice. We're gonna give it a try. Tastes good.
You can taste the basil when you take the leaves, and the rice is moist and fluffy. The pork is like minced, so it mixes in with the texture of the rice, but the flavor really is enhanced when you just put it all in together and just gulp it down.
We're going for round 2, fried mussels.
The fried mussels are so nice. They're very fresh. You can taste the saltiness of them. They're tender. They're not like all chewy and like rough. They're very good. And it was scrambled with some egg, and then it was topped over with some coriander. It's very good. So round number 3, we have gotten ourselves peanut ice cream rolls. So it's actually got a green pancake type of thing with peanuts, and I think it's taro ice cream. But hey, let's give it a try. Wow, 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 wow. This definitely tops it off for the end of the night. This is phenomenal. The ice cream's cold. It's got the crunchiness of the peanuts. It's got the softness of the outer pancake, and I think it's taro, but the flavors just meld beautifully together. This is wow.
So we're done eating. We are quite full at the moment. Just want to let you guys know, if you guys are coming to Ongang Walking Street, make sure you get here before, well, around 6 o'clock, because that's when they open. When we got here, it was around 8 o'clock. And most of the stores are starting to close. You can still get food like we did, but yeah, I think 6 o'clock would be the best time to get here.
It was absolutely phenomenal for me. It felt very romantic, the ambiance, the vibe, the water, the neon lights, and we also did some food hopping. So we could suggest what we did is buy one thing from each restaurant, and then you get to try out multiple things from different places.